What's going on, TP Nation? Tonight I have got to change out the chicken brooder. It smells horrible, and I have not changed their bedding. I've just added more pine shavings on top of them for the last 2 weeks, and it's time to do something different. We got about 1 more week in the brooder before I put them in the chicken tractor outside, and I just wanted you to see how big the chicks have gotten in 2 weeks. They eat all day, all night. And so let you see them as I change out their brooder. So just be patient with me. Don't talk about me. Don't laugh at me. But I'm in the learning process of how to better manage my chickens. So here, further ado, hey, before we do that, I need you to click subscribe please subscribe to our channel. I need you to click that notification bell that lets you know when all the videos are dropped. And then finally, I need you to smash that like button. Send me a comment. Talk to me. Let's become interactive. Let's get to know one another. Here is the star of the show. Here's Charles. There's Charles.
I didn't door.
Huh?
I didn't door.
Come here, Charles. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody. You want to film that chicken?
Yep, we get ready to change out the chickens. All right, Charles. Let's turn this around. TV Nation, check out the baby chicks. Look at how big they've gotten. Well, we're getting ready to change out their brooder.
Let's go my softball.
I've got a new plastic tub here I'm going to give to them. We got a new plastic tub here. We got 2 of the same tubs, and we're going to change them out.
That's for my softball. You ready, guys?
And give a shout out to Tractor Supply for supplying me with all of my baby chick needs. All right, we put in the shavings in here for them. Just make sure that they have some good flooring.
You got the big boy. I love it.
I've got to, I'm gonna put their new water in here.
New water. See, listen. What do you think? See, what do you think you want?
All right, so we have new bedding, new water. Watch out, Charles. So we're gonna let you see how big the baby chicks are. I do have on my black gloves to pick them up.
You love it?
All right, let's take the top off, Charles. All right, let's lift this up. All right, come on. Check out our baby chicks. They're big. They're big, TP Nation. I'm gonna put you in here. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Take this big one out. Got some pretty big claws, right? Some pretty big claws. All right, get in there. Come on. This is a Leghorn chicken. This is a Leghorn. They're heavy egg producers.
That is called Tillamook.
This is a Buff Orpington. It's a meat bird and an egg bird.
Oh boy.
This is a Comet. This is a golden comet.
Cold planet. That's the place of that. That's place of dolphins.
What is wrong with him?
That's a life.
Come on.
That's the base of down. That's a nice banana.
All right. Let's put the top on them, Charles.
Yeah, they even want to get out.
We don't want them to get out. Nope. So now, whew, that's about two weeks of whatever. It makes good compost, but we got to give them some food.
Guys, you love it.
We got to change out their food. Check out our baby chicks, TP Nation. Charles, you sweeping up? All right.
Guys, we went to the Monster Jam. I got sold. I like that.
All right, we just filled up our food, and you will see how they will attack the food. I took Charles out this afternoon to Monster Jam, and he got a sword. He wants to show you his sword. Come show him your sword. Stand back, Charles. Come over here. Charles got a sword today. All right, he went to Monster Jam.
Yeah, I think Monster Jam. It's a jump.
They were jumping. All right, let's add this in.
Here's my sword.
All right, y'all. Here.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. All right. Now, I've been told that this right here, which is, you know, waste material, is good for gardens and stuff and plant beds. So we're going to take this out and throw it into our raised beds. But now they've got clean bedding, new food. As you can see, they're already going to work eating. They've got new water source, which they've already filled it full of pine shavings, as they do every day by jumping over there. But about one more week is all they can stay in this brooder right here, because it's just too small. It's 18 birds in this brooder, and that's too much. You know, someone told me that. Someone told me that, you know, you could put about 20 birds in this little small 50-gallon tote, but that's not true. These birds are, it's just too many birds in this little small brooder right here. So what we'll do is we'll just change this out one time, and then next week they will go into the chicken tractor outside, and they will transition to living outside in the chicken tractor. Stop, Charles. They don't like that. It's scaring them. All right, TP Nation, you've seen me change out our brooder. I needed to do it because, like I told you before, this is the first time that I've ever done this. This is the very first time that I'm raising chickens, even buying chickens. So I'm learning through experience, and next time we won't raise chickens in the house. We'll put them in the garage or the man cave. It's an experience that I'll never forget. It's a memory. But I wanted you to be a part of the journey to see the baby chicks, see how fast they're growing. They're 2 weeks old, and they've doubled in size. So just imagine about a month from now what they're going to look like. And so, you know, I was at Tractor Supply the other day filling out the paperwork, and I saw some black chickens and I was like, man, you know, I ain't got no soul brothers or soul sisters in the brooder. I don't have any soul sisters in here. I got everybody blonde and brown, but I need to add some black to the pile. I got some white in here too. So to make this thing universal, I'm going to go and grab whatever kind of black chicken I can get, you know, whatever it is. Grab a couple black chickens just so we have a universal party going on. All right. So listen, thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride Homestead. Please remember, click, subscribe, comment. That helps the channel to grow. Charles, tell them what you want them to do to smash what? Smash what? Charles says smash that like button. Hey, y'all have a blessed day. It's another day for opportunity for you to become great. Take care. Bye-bye. Comment. That helps the channel to grow. Charles, tell them what you want them to do to smash what? Smash what? Charles says smash that like button. Hey, y'all have a blessed day. It's another day for opportunity for you to become great. Take care. Bye-bye.